vaccination program. As you know, the first dose we have finished 104%. 104% because outside our target population, we have a lot of population that's coming in during this tourist season. So we have finished 104% of the first dose and 73% of the second dose. Now our concerns just now are how do we slowly end this program. So we are planning to have one large big push on the 31st of this month, which Dr. Bolkar will brief you the details. Also, our concern is how do we continue to vaccinate the population, this large 3 to 4 lakhs of floating population that comes in to support the tourist season. Also, we now hope that by end November, most of our target population would be fully vaccinated, and we now integrate into our vaccination program into the normal vaccination program, and slowly by end November, beginning December, we shut down all our centers and get back to doing what we used to do before. So now Dr. Bolkar will talk to us about the 31st plan, where we look for your cooperation and publicity for this big event.
So, what is our plan now is, now that we have completed the target of first dose, as Madam has said, we have reached almost 105%. So we are not worried about that first dose anymore now, and our focus now is on second dose. Second dose also, we have covered 71%, and we are doing fantastic. If you take all India level, it is around 30%. But vis-a-vis, if you compare Goa, we are up to 71%. But in Goa, we have a typical situation that we are depending on tourism. We are also planning to start our schools. So there is a possibility that those who have not had their second dose may get infected, and then they may spread the infection. So our goal is to cover second dose at least by November end. So to achieve this target, what we are planning now is to have a mega camp sort of. We have 40 vaccination centers which are doing on regular basis. Now, as Madam has decided, we will be going with 219 sub-centers. Each of our primary health center has sub-centers. So we will be covering, we will be going at grassroots level, and at all the sub-centers on a particular day, that is on 31st of October, all the centers will be giving the dose, more particularly the second dose, from 9:30 to 5 p.m. And we are going all cylinders out, in the sense we will be doing miking, we are going to give advertisements on the paper, we are giving news articles, we are trying to rope in Anganwadi workers so that they bring the beneficiaries. We are also trying to send the messages. So my request to all the people who are eligible and have not taken the second dose, and I want to tell you that this number is around 2,06,000. So 2,06,000 लोक आमचे असे आसात ज्यांनी फर्स्ट डोज ऑलरेडी घेतला, त्यांचे 84 डेजूय बी जाल्यात, बट स्टील दे हॅव नॉट कम. So listening to us now and reading all the articles and viewing everything that is happening around, I request everybody, don't take it lightly. Dr. आमचे उत्कर्ष जे आसात epidemiologist, he will tell you how vaccination has saved us from the third wave and major deaths. So my request, sincere request, is to all the people in Goa who are eligible for second dose, who have taken their first dose and completed their 84 days, to come this Sunday on 31st and take their second dose, so that we are fully protected. If you see now in Panjim, we are flooded with tourists. So anytime anything can happen, we cannot be complacent. Now at present people are on fences. Log on tier basleले असतात. Some people, if we motivate them, they will come for vaccination. If somebody tells them, please don't go for vaccination, everything is okay now, they may never come for vaccination. So my request is, everybody should come for vaccination. Everybody should get vaccinated. Only message we all want to give is, COVID has reduced, but it is not gone from Goa, not gone from India. So everybody please come and take the second dose. Thank you.
In addition, on the 31st, just in addition addition of the 31st, we will also have in each taluka one session for people without ID cards. In each taluka, we will have one session for people without ID cards. Now, Dr. Utkarsh will tell you so far what has been our experience with the vaccine in terms of saving lives.
And those who have not completed the 84 days, what happened to them? It still continues. The program is still continuing. But जेनी complete केला तेनी आणि रावचेनी. Okay. Yeah. It is because we call something as herd immunity. चढान चढ लोकांनी घेतले जाल्यार जेणी घेवना तांकांय फायदो जावंक शकता. So our request is चढान चढ लोकांनी घेवचे at least those who are eligible. Dr.
This is especially for those 1 ते 2 लाख जे पॉप्युलेशन आसा पळय याच्यानी फर्स्ट डोस घेतला आणि सेकंड डोस कसले तरी कारणा खातीर ते येवना पळय पयलीं आणि ही कारणां जी आसता ती सिंपल कारणां आसता म्हाका आयज कितें तरी खंय फंक्शनाक वचपाक म्हाका आयज कितें तरी काम आसा म्हणून आपूण चुकीचा सो ही जी आमी आयज मिडिया मिटींग घेता फक्त ते 2 लाख लोक जे आसा म्हणजे तांकां याद करपाक की तुमचो डोस घेया फुडें येवन बेगीच्या बेगीन घेया कित्याक एज ऑफ नाव वी आर कमिंग सामके डोर स्टेप येता न्ही सगळ्यांक लागीं येवन Magir probably once that stops, they will have to come to the PSC as a routine immunization.
It will be integrated in the routine. We know that 18 plus opened more than 3 months ago. So all those people would have been due now, or maybe they could wait 1 more month. And soon we get back to doing what we did before.
And now you said there is a danger because of this tourist and all that. But now tell me one thing: what will happen to these children who are below 18 years old, who are not eligible?
Yeah, so that is
What
exactly.
we will do is let us listen to Dr. Utkarsh first, and then we will come back.
Yeah,
to
finish
answer your
this.
question.
Okay.
Yes.
Then we will come to the questions. If you remember, somewhere in March, April, from this same place, we had given a VC about vaccination, right? And I had told that was the right time to come forward and take a vaccine because we were getting very few cases that time. This is again a phase where we are getting a less number of cases on a daily basis, and there is a less virus in the environment as of now. So right time to come and take your vaccine. We really don't know how virus will react in days to come. Now if we say everybody is getting media bulletin on a daily basis and our total positive cases till today have crossed 1,77,000. We had total deaths till date 3,358. Our recovery rate is, looking at the recovery rate, it looks good, 97.82. But then if we see the breakup of this total number of COVID deaths, 3,358, in first wave, out of this, number of deaths were 795, and out of this, 3,358. For the second wave, we had 2,563 deaths. This is second wave starting from 1st of March 2021. Now if we go down and see the breakup of this 2,563, then we see that 2,359 out of this 2,563 had not taken even a single dose of vaccine.
Can you repeat the number, doctor?
Number, please. Yeah.
I'll repeat this. Out of deaths which occurred during wave 2, that's from 1st March 2021, there were 2,563 deaths. 2,563 deaths. Out of 2,563 deaths, there were 2,359. That's 2,359 deaths who had not taken even a single dose of vaccine. People who had taken single or dose of vaccine and because of some comorbidity they succumbed to death were 185. And people who had taken 2 doses were 19. But out of this 19, 17 had major comorbid conditions. Now looking at this data, what we understand is vaccination definitely helps. Vaccination definitely helps. If you take vaccine, definitely you will not go into complications, you will not reach a critical stage. There will be less chances that you will be admitted and your infection or your disease will not progress in a critical stage. That's why people have to come forward. Whoever, especially these 2 lakh people who are due for second dose, they have to come forward and take the vaccine.
And another point which we have to add about the vaccination is that today you finish vaccination doesn't protect you today. That takes another 14 days. So the advice would be earlier you get vaccinated, the better it is.
So on the 31st, normally we have 40 centers doing vaccination on any given day. On the 31st, we have more than 260 vaccination sites. So we want to go take the campaign fully on and we look for your cooperation. Regard to your question regarding children, by vaccinating all adults around them, we create a protective ring around them. So the vaccine will not be there in the community. The vaccines for children are not yet licensed for us to give them yet, but there are many in the pipeline, and if we finish this, we'll be ready to take on childhood vaccination as and when it's available.
Another reason why we are forcing on 31st is that, as Madam has said, anytime the vaccine for children can come, and then the things will get more complicated. We want to finish the job of vaccinating the adult population before the vaccine for children comes. So that will ease our job and job of the other people also.
Those who have not completed the 84 days, they can't take now second dose.
No, they cannot take now because the portal will not accept them. So there are only very few exceptions to this, like international travel or you're traveling for mission.
So that 2,60,000 people are eligible for the second dose.
Yes.
2,15,000, not
1,500.
1,500.
15,000. Okay.
And they are equally distributed in north and south.
Okay.
All right, so there are no more questions. Thank you very much. We hope that our program on the 31st will be successful, and we hope that all different sectors will help mobilize patients for our campaign. Thank you.
अरे पोयर राहती गाडी